Hello, this is Keenan, and this is 6th grade worksheet, lesson 23. So for our first problem, we have 47 minus x equals 23 plus 14. In this problem, we want to find the value of x, and first we'll do that by simplifying 23 and 14, which add up to 37. So 47 minus x is equal to 37. Next, we'll subtract 37 from both sides, which will give us 10 minus x equals 0. We can then add x to both sides to get 10 equals x. So x equals 10. For our next problem, we have 7x plus 12 equals 40. Here we're going to first subtract 12 from both sides. We get 7x equals 28, and then we will divide both sides by 7 to get x equals 4. I'm going to skip problem number 3 and move on to problem number 5. This problem we have 2 times the quantity 4x plus 8 is equal to 72. Here we'll divide both sides by 2 to get 4x plus 8 equals 36. And then we'll subtract 8 from both sides and get 4x is equal to 28. And then divide both sides by 4 to get x equals 7. And for our last problem, number 6, we have 5 plus x is equal to 107 minus 2. Here we'll first simplify the 107 minus 2, so we get 5 plus x equals 105. Then we'll subtract 5 from both sides to get x equals 100. Make sure to go and solve 3 and 4 by yourself as practice. And I'll move on to the next problem set. This set is linear equations in slope-intercept form. So slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the intercept and m is the slope and b is the intercept. So in this equation, 4x plus 3y equals 9. In slope-intercept form, the y is by itself. So we need to move the 4x to the other side. So we'll subtract negative 4 from both sides, which will give us 3y equals negative 4x plus 9. Then to get the y by itself, we'll divide 3 on both sides, and we'll get y equals negative 4 over 3x plus 3. And that is it in slope-intercept form. For our next problem, we have y plus 4 equals x. This problem is very easy because there aren't that many numbers, so we can just subtract 4 from both sides to get y equals x minus 4. And although there's no term in front of the x, it's still slope-intercept form because the m is just 1. In the next problem, y minus 17 equals 19x. So this problem is just like the last problem. All we have to do is get the y by itself by adding 17 to both sides. So we get y equals 19x plus 17. Problem number 4, we have y plus 28 equals 4x plus 30. In this problem, it's just like the previous ones. We're going to isolate the y by subtracting both sides. So y equals 4x plus 2, because 30 minus 28 is 2. And for number 5, we have negative 8x plus 9y equals negative 4x plus 2. To get the 9 by itself, the 9y, we will add 8x to both sides to get 9y equals negative 4x plus 2 plus 8x. Then we'll simplify the negative 4x and the 8x. They will add together to get 4x plus 2. And then to isolate the y, we will divide both sides by 9. So So y equals 4 over 9x plus 2 over 9. I'm going to skip these last two problems so you can solve them by yourself. Moving on to multiple choice. Number 1 is Geneva usually takes 3 minutes to get out of bed in the morning after her alarm goes off at 6:30. She then takes 14 minutes getting ready in the bathroom, 10 making breakfast, 13 to eat breakfast, and 7 to change into her clothes for the day. After this morning routine, she leaves the house for school. At what time does she leave the house? So to solve this, first we have to find how long she takes to do her routine. So that's 14 plus 10 plus 13 plus 7 minutes, which will give us, if we add these all together, we're going to get 44 minutes. Actually, my bad. There's another 3 minutes because of the 3 minutes to get out of bed. So that gives us 47 minutes. And then we'll add that to 6:30 a.m. So 6:30, the first 30 minutes will bring us to 7 o'clock. And then we'll still have 17 minutes left. And we'll add those to get 7:17, which is D. The next problem is number 2. Allison has 4 shirts, 1 blue, 1 green, 1 orange, and 1 pink. She also has 3 pairs of jeans, 1 black and 2 blue. With these clothes, how many different outfits can she make? So her 4 shirts are all different, so she has 4 options to pick from a shirt. And her jeans, 1 is black but 2 are blue. Since the blue ones are the same, actually the blue ones are not the same, so we have 3 pairs of jeans. And then each shirt can combo with any one of the jeans. So that gives us 3 options for blue, 3 for green, 3 for orange, and 3 for pink. Which means we multiply 3 by the amount of shirts, 4, which is equal to 12, which gives us our answer of A, 12. I'll leave the other 2 multiple choice problems to you to solve by yourself.